everybody, it's Diana with Stamping with Di. Welcome to my YouTube channel and this week's Di's Shorts. And I'm just going to do a quick little video today to show you what's going on in August, since we are in a new month already. So that's exciting, right? I said something on my blog about we live in Arizona, because if this is your first time here on my YouTube channel, welcome. And if you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Diana, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I'm in Santan Valley, Arizona. So August, September, you know, that's kind of like when fall is starting to happen places. The cooler weather's starting to show up. Not in Arizona. We still have 2 months of heat. And I know I say that all the time. We've lived here forever. Well, not forever, but we've lived here, oh my gosh, almost 40 years. So that seems like forever, right? So yeah, but I like to stay in with my air conditioning. So I want to welcome you to my blog. If you are new, I love that you're here. I am watching the live with you in the chat room. So if you are watching the video premiere, that's where I'll be. Head on over there. We can chit chat a little bit. Like I said, this is going to be a quick video. So if you have missed the live and watching the replay, and you have a question or comment, please leave it below. YouTube will let me know, and then I can reach out to you. All right, so I'm going to stop blotting so I can go over the things for August. Yeah, so close your eyes just for a second while I get my camera adjusted. Okay, a new month means a new code. So this is the code for August, and if you are ordering less than 150 before tax and shipping, then, oh, don't look at my fingernails. How do you do my nail polish? This is the host code I would love for you to use, and then this allows me to do the goodies and the mini masterpiece each month. So, so yeah, please use that if you're ordering less. Now, remember that you can redeem your codes in this month. If you placed a $50 order before tax and shipping in July, Stampin' Up! Would have emailed you a coupon code for $5 for every 50 before tax and shipping. And so now is the time to be redeeming those. You have till the end of August to do that. But just keep in mind, when you redeem your coupons, it does take away from the catalog amount, right? So if you're trying to reach, you know, that 150 or the 75 or the 50 or whatever, just keep an eye on that, because it will, you know, decrease that, right? All right, so that being said, let me show you the goodies and the mini masterpiece for August. So for August, the goodies are the iridescent faceted gems, and these are gorgeous. And I've used these a few times. You've seen me use them, and they're so pretty. So if you order 75 before tax and shipping in the month of August, then when I send you your thank you card in September, I'll put your little package in there, because this is something that I send to you. It doesn't come with your order. So I've had people try to add it onto your order, and since this is coming from me personally, you know, the ordering system doesn't understand, you know, that you're trying to get something for free or whatever, because I order these and then I send them with your thank you card. All right, and then I had such a good response to adding the little mini masterpieces. Instead of doing the guts, I've switched over to mini masterpieces, and this is the August one. So look how cute this is. Oh my gosh, you know me, I love sunflowers, and I could not wait to pull out this old sunflower set. So this will be the mini masterpiece you can earn in the month of August, and then I'll write on the back what month, you know, what month it was. This was July, so look how cute these are together. Now that it doesn't mean, you know, I'll always have them coordinate, but these two do look really cute together if you decide to frame them or whatever you want to do with them. But so this was the July one. So these will be going out. If you didn't tell me, you need to let me know. Otherwise, I just send your incentive of my choice. But they will go out if you earn both. I need to wait for the metallic. Right here, the metallic gems, because these are what you earned in July. So this was the July goodies and mini masterpiece. All right, so like I said, this is August. I just love these gems, and then the little mini masterpiece for August. And if you want both, then make sure you order 150 before tax and shipping in the month. And those can be multiple orders. You just want to make sure that you know, in the month you order that. All right, and then don't forget, registration is open for my virtual fall social, and quite a few have already signed out. I'm probably about halfway full, so make sure you register as early as you can. At least let me know, right, so I get you on my list. You still have some time to pay for the early registration, but at least let me know so I can get you on the list. And speaking of that, so I'm going to take a break from classes in the mail for a while. So there won't be an August class in the mail because I will be working on my virtual fall social. And then there won't be one in September either because, you know, I'll be busy cutting stuff for the September virtual fall social. So I'm just going to just take a break from the classes in the mail. All right. Then, I'm so excited. I love when we have the Designer Series paper sale. So this will start August the 6th and runs to the end of the month. Just keep in mind while supplies last, because I'm sure if they run out of a Designer Series paper, they're not going to be able to get another box of them or however many they have to order before the end of the month. So I always say when we have a special, as soon as it starts or very, very close to that date, you place your order so that you're not disappointed if things run out. But so not all of the papers are on sale, but these are the ones. So the Bright and Beautiful, which I have used a little bit there. The Countryside Inn is gorgeous. Country Lace, Country Woods, you know I've been having a lot of fun with the Country Woods. The Full of Life is really, really fun paper. The Lily Pond Lane I have used. Most of them I've used the back side instead of the front sides. The Mediterranean Blooms. The Perennial Lavender. What else do we have here? Take to the Sky. Thoughtful Journey. I just used that the other day. To Market. Unbounded Beauty, Wildly Flowering, and Winter Meadow. And now Winter Meadow is actually a carryover Designer Series paper, and it's gorgeous. It's really gorgeous. So those are the ones that are on sale. I will put a flyer on my blog so you can reference back to it. But remember, this doesn't start till August the 6th. So make sure you don't start your order. If you're going to order the Designer Series paper, don't start your order till the 6th. Sometimes if you start it before and then things go on sale, and then you go back in to modify an order, you know, that you did before the sale, on the day of the sale, sometimes it can, it kind of makes the computer, the ordering system a little bit confused. So I would wait. That doesn't mean you can't write it on a piece of paper, you know, kind of know what you want ahead of time so you already know your item codes and stuff. But I would wait if you're going to do any of the paper on sale. Excuse me, till the 6th of August. And so I know I'm going to be ordering a more Country Woods, as if I need more, right? But I just love that paper. All right. It's awesome paper. I've also been using it, you might notice, for behind my photos because I love the wood grain kind of thing. So there's no glare or whatever when you take your picture. So keep that in mind if you like to do photography, that some of these are really, really fun to put behind your photos if you're going to do like Instagramming and things like that. All right, so I think I mentioned everything that I had on my list for the start of the month. So yeah, all right, so let me say see you later, alligator. Look at my other cute little shirt. Do you watch that show? I might have a little bit of a problem with Goodwill t-shirts. Oh, dear me. All right. So I'm going to stop blabbing so that you can get on with your day. Thank you so much for spending time with me this week. I really appreciate it. I will see you Monday for my Mimeograph Monday with a Twist. That will be 3 o'clock, Arizona time, same channel. Have a great weekend, and I will see you next week. All right. Bye for now.